Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, mate. Coming out to fish. Coming out to fish. Don't run. What you got in your hand? Looking forward to eating them?
No!
Kiss one.
No!
Kiss one.
No! How do you eat it?
How do you think you eat them? Put one next to your ear and listen to what it says.
No. How do you eat
See
it?
if he talks to you.
No, how
Do you reckon there's a pearl in there?
Yeah.
There's a pearl in there. Might be a pearl in there.
Clams have pearls.
I always tried to sing along to that song. I mean, he's got...
What?
Clams have pearls.
Clams have pearls, not oysters.
I don't even know what oysters are.
Don't know what oysters are?
No.
We will do in about half hour when you eat them.
No!
You are.
Eat them.
You are, you gotta eat them. And cook them on the barbecue and then you can eat them.
No.
Here we go. So we're home from your shopping trip, Maisie, with Daddy. How was the shopping trip?
Bad.
Did you see lots of nice food?
No.
What was your favourite?
None.
None. Right, so here's a little selection of what we've got for your challenge on our lovely mood board.
Not eating seafood.
So, here we go. We've got some prawns. We have some mussels and some cockles, that was it. And we got a scallop and some oysters. So, just what every single 6-year-old is wanting to try. So here we go. Which is going to be your first to try then, Maisie? Oh, we've got some sardines and some salmon as well for you to try as well. Still currently cooking on the barbecue. So which is going to be the first one you're going to try?
None. No, I don't try any.
Come on. Right, we'll start with this little plate. Here we go. Hugo, you're going to try some? Go then, look.
This is that one.
What do you think of that? Is it nice? Yeah, go on then. Let's see, Maisie. What's that one? Prawn.
Prawn.
That's it.
Me turn.
Hugo's turn. Is that nice? Which one are you going to try next, Hugo?
No.
You going back for the prawns? Maisie, you like prawns. Oh, yeah. But Ted, I think Ted's wanting to take part in this challenge. Right, come on, let's go for one of these lovely little these ones. Let's go for one of these mussels. Give you mussels. Put hairs on your chest, though, Will. Got no problems. Did you? Go and try it, Hugo. Right, 2 each. I want at least 2 each done.
No.
Come on.
I'll try one. Hugo.
Hugo, you come on. Quick. Put it in properly. No, doesn't count. If you get to complete your challenge, you get an extra hour before you go to bed. Oh. Come on, eat it. Go. And Maisie's winning. Is Hugo going to eat one? Quick, go on, you've got to eat it, Hugo. Eat one of these ones. No, eat one of these ones. Yeah, Hugo's. No, otherwise you... Right, just Maisie on. Try that one. Cockles. Hugo's going for the cockles. Right, come on, Maisie. Yeah, no, he swallowed it. So Hugo's back in the lead. Hugo gets to stay up the latest. Right, go for the cockles. I want 2 cockles eaten, Maisie.
No, 1.
2.
1.
2. Hugo's eaten 2.
2 of these.
Yeah, no.
These.
2 cockles.
But which one's a cockle?
That's a cockle on your fork
This.
right now. That's a cockle.
2 of these.
Yeah, go for it. 1. Quick, another one down. I'm not sure it counts it there. Poor little Ted. I think. And next, Hugo, quick, come and do this one. No, take it, Hugo. Right, come on, this one. Here we go. Ready. This is a nice, juicy scallop.
I don't even taste them, I just swallow them.
Right, here we go.
On that.
Yeah. That's it. Nice. No, it doesn't count if you spit it out. Doesn't count if you spit it out. Hugo, you're going to eat it. You going to eat it? You're going to eat it, Maisie, otherwise it's normal bedtime. Hugo, Maisie's winning. Chew it.
Chew it, Maisie.
Yummy. So you've got to remember, if you want to be seeing lots of these Maisie Beau challenges, you've got to subscribe to our channel, Maudearmada. I think Henry's wanting to have take part in the challenge. Right, now for the next one, we have one of these. Is this all opened, ready, Daddy?
Hugo! No! Come on, Manny's having one. You won't stay up late. No.
What's that, Daddy?
Don't stay up late like Manny.
I can't do. Right, here we go, Maisie. Look at this. There we go. Half of it. That's all you've got to eat. The other two are Mummy's and Daddy's. Come on then, quick. Put it in.
Come on, Hugo. Come on.
Quick, come and eat it.
I can't get one. Get a single one of them.
Make sure you get it right up.
I can't get it.
Use your finger.
No! You're crazy.
That's it. Just go for the whole one.
Oh.
Eat it.
Swallow it. Show me your empty mouth. Excellent. 2 more fishes to try and you have won the challenge. Do you want some, Hugo? So, round 2. Here we go. We've got the fish. How are you feeling about this one, Maze? Yeah. Let's have a look what we've got. How are you feeling about this, Hugo? You ready to try some? Right, let's have a look what we've got. We've got, hang on. Wait, we've got some salmon. Okay, and we have some sardines. So, first off, Maisie, you've got to eat the salmon's head.
Touch it.
What's wrong with that? He looks so pretty.
Eyeball. No, look at his eyeball.
He looks pretty. Right, Hugo, you've got to eat. Hugo, you've got to eat the salmon's head. Right, if you just eat his eye then, Maisie. No! Okay. Which bit do you want to eat?
This.
Let's have a look. Where did you get it from?
Yeah.
Go on then. What's the fish called?
Salmon.
Salmon, there we go.
Ow!
Try some.
My finger.
Did it bite your finger?
No.
Go on, eat it. This is basically fish finger. You try. Oh, is he biting, Hugo?
Oh. Wait.
Swallow it, Maisie. Chew it. What do you think of that one? What do you think?
You go. Don't.
Do you want to try some, Hugo? Yeah. Do you want to try some?
Yeah. Try some.
Maisie, get your brother some.
Oh, a ball.
No, he doesn't.
No, that's not even a bit.
Here you go, that's it. Hugo, what do you think of that? Right, and the last one off this evening, sardines. Look, Daddy's done a bit, broke that bit off, so there you go. But you went in for seconds.
Come on, Maisie. Try these.
Right, final bit. Come.
I want a tiny bit.
Yeah.
Then
Right here, this bit. Daddy's got that bit perfect for you.
This.
There we go.
This. Ah!
Right, go on, Hugo. You try it. Go on, Hugo. Let's just try it. One bit. Go on then. You like that one, don't
They're
you?
both disgusting.
Hugo doesn't seem to think so. Is it nice?
I don't like either.
No.
I don't like either.
What's been your favourite thing of the night? Oysters.
Prawns.
Prawns, favourite thing. What do you say to Mummy and Daddy for treating you to this special meal?
No, thank you.
What do you have to say to the people watching you?
Click thumbs up and subscribe.
One more time.
Subscribe.
That's it. Thumbs up and...
Thumbs up and subscribe.
Can you do thumbs up, Hugo? Thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Thumbs up and subscribe.
Thumbs up and subscribe.